Yeah.
survived it. And I can say I've done it, but I'm never gonna do it again.
We weren't sure if
Hi,
he was
you
gonna jump.
driving?
Finally did. He says it was the scariest thing he ever did. But he says that about a lot of stuff.
Beep beep.
That is the scariest thing I've ever done in my life. I have done a lot of things.
Yeah. Oh, 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 no. Good save. Good save. Hi, buddy. Where you going? You go find Daddy?
Going into this, my dream dress, I have a few different ideas, but you don't really know until you try it yourself. You can see something hanging up and be like, oh, I love it, and then put it on and be like, oh,
You're going into the darkness.
my dress. It was really exciting to see Jill.
Uh-oh, where's Jameson?
Knew that this was for real. She was going to be picking out a dress today, and I was just super excited.
Hey. Get back here. Come here, see Mama. Come here, see Mama. It's dark in there. Hi.
Dress number 2, I really do like.
Hi, baby.
Wow factor wise for you guys, what do you think? Yeah.
Scary out there. It's dark. You getting your football? Or your ball?
I like the shape of this one better than the first one.
Hi, buddy. Hi. I love you.